What is going on, guys? How's everybody doing out there on this evening? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, I want to come and do a quick video for you for one of my new programs that I got started in, CMP. All right, so if you haven't checked this out, link is in the description. Go check it out at www.beabosslady.info. I want to show you a system that will allow you, okay, to earn up to $400 commissions per day, instantly, directly paid to you. No delays, no waiting on the company to pay you. You're paid instantly. All right. So CMP, you're going to learn how to make better content so you can make more money. With CMP, you will get access to a wealth of tools, resources that can help you achieve your financial goals. If you can copy and paste pre-written ads on social media and on high traffic websites, you're on the right site. And you're here at the right place at the right time. So we're going to show you exactly what to do step by step. Plus, you're going to learn how to use AI to create online content without using your face or voice. Now, that is amazing, right? So check this out, and we'll be back to show you the programs and how you can get started today. Check it out.
The CMP compensation plan is so amazing because you can earn $40, $100, $200, and even $400 in commissions paid instantly.
You see, you're eligible to earn commissions on whatever level you own, plus the levels below you.
For example, as a Pro Pack member, you qualify on all commission levels, so whenever you enroll a new Pro member, you'll earn a $400 instant commission.
And anytime your new member refers a Pro Pack member themselves, you'll also earn a $400 instant commission because of the 100% check match.
So whatever your personal referrals earn in direct referral commissions, you also earn the same amount in major passive income.
Just ask yourself, how many people do you want to refer to CMP? Because those direct and passive commissions can stack up real fast. Don't wait. Get started today. You'll be so glad that you did.
Okay, you heard it. All right, so what I want to do now is just go over the programs so you can get in where you fit in. So check this out. All right, if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused when it comes to marketing online, this is for you. You're wanting a simple platform to make money on the internet. You want to stay at home. You're a stay-at-home mom wanting a chance to make money from home, looking for a real way to make extra income for you and your family. Are you tired of your job? Or even don't have one at all and want the ability to get paid daily instead of waiting every 2 weeks? This is for you, CMP. So this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Take advantage now. I love that we have this tier, right, where you're going to get this 100% check match. This is powerful, guys. This is another way to earn online. But what's so exciting about this one versus our 100% is everybody that you sign up, when they get paid, you get paid. That's amazing. That blows just about everything out of the water, to be honest with you. Yes, I have 100% profit programs, but are you paying attention? 100% check match. Think about all the people that you signed up in your opportunity. If you could leverage that, you could leverage them, and every time they get paid to infinity, that would be amazing. Over and over, every time they get paid. That put a twist on everything that we have been doing, all right? Still love my 100% profit programs. I'm just showing you another way, another program. All right, this is just another opportunity. But guess what? It's different. It's different that it's just not digital products. There's a lot of great programs out here with just digital products, right? This one is different. Not to mention the 100% match. Okay? That sets us apart right there. Then you come here, you get in the rotator. The company's going to put you in the company rotator. Everybody gets in the rotator when you sign up automatically. Okay? You don't have to reach out to them to let them know. You're going to be automatically added. Okay? So that will help boost your exposure. All right? So that will get some eyeballs on your opportunity. All right? Not to mention when you get started with me, I'm going to do the same. All right? So let's check this out. So here's what you get inside. So the designer pack. You're going to get create eye-popping graphics. That's the designer pack. Module 1. Module 2. Unlimited ideas using AI. Over 400 chat GPT prompts. Powerful. Unlock your creative potential with the CMP designer pack. Dive into a treasure trove of tools and tips to create eye-popping graphics, stunning 3D visuals, and professional presentations. Master photo editing. Discover top graphic resources and supercharge your productivity with over 400 plus AI prompts. Transform your brand into ease and watch your engagement soar. So that one is $100, the designer pack. You're going to make $40 every time someone purchases this pack from you, paying you directly, and you're going to make 100% check match. All right. Second product, the creator pack, module 3, video editing tips and tricks, showing you how to make videos and edit and do everything from your smartphone. Editing with phones and more, module 4, $250 one time. There's no monthly fees with this program. It's not network marketing or MLM. Okay. So one-time payment, $250. Every time you sell this creator pack, you're going to make $100, guys. Every time. And remember the 100% check match. Third product, the influencer pack. Module 5, creating sales funnels. More CMP resources. That is called the influencer pack. $500 one time. You're going to earn $200 over and over and over every time you sell this influencer pack with 100% check match on every personal referral that you make. Check match. Check match, check match, check match. I can't say that enough. That is the leverage that we got with this. All right. The last pack is the Pro Pack, the Power Pack. All right. This is the Mac Daddy of the program. You're all in. All right. With the Pro Pack, how to clone your voice and creating videos using AI. Module 7, creating high converting professional VSLs. Module 8, learn how to deliver live presentations like a pro. Module 9. Module 10, learn the top 3 video editing platforms CMP uses. Module 11, creating pro videos without any editing required. Module 12, creating and editing viral videos for social media. This is the Power Pack. Elevate your business with CMP Pro Pack. The premium package offers advanced strategies, exclusive training, and top-tier tools to maximize your online success. Now, I don't want folks to get overwhelmed and say, oh, I'm not technical, and all that stuff. Doesn't matter, guys. It's step by step. Okay? No worries. You're not going to be overwhelmed. All right? So you're going to go at your pace. So anyone will be able to do this. If you got a smart device or a computer, that's it. Just follow the steps. Okay? Don't overthink this. Get access to the Pro Pack for $1,000. One-time payment. Again, no monthly fees. You earn $400 over and over every time you sell this pack. But, again, what's even better is every time one of your referrals sells this pack, you also make $400. So it's like cloning yourself. That's why I'm so excited about it. It's like cloning yourself. 4, 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, as many. Just think about how many people would you like to refer in the program? Because all those folks that you refer Every time they get paid, you get paid. You only need a handful. You don't need a lot of people. You don't need 20, 30, 40, 100 people. It'd be great. But I'm saying you don't need them. If you know, it's not required to have that many people. You just need people that's going to get out here and promote the opportunity. Every time they make money, you make money. Same with me. Every time I make money, my sponsor make money. And his sponsor makes money. Okay? So it's a win-win. Everybody gets to win. That's the thing. It's not a one-and-done sale. Like typically with our 100% profit programs, I make one sale, I sell to that person, that's it. Boom. No more leverage from them unless they upgrade. If it's a program where they can upgrade to the next product, but someone can sit there for years and never upgrade. Now you would get those pass-ups because they won't be at the level. Like if someone purchases the product, a higher product than them, and if you're in position, you get that, right, in the 100% programs. But if not, other than that, you will never be able to leverage any more from that person. Whereas here, you're going to get to leverage everybody that you bring in. Every single person, especially if you're at the Pro Pack level, right? So every time someone gets paid, you get paid. You get paid. You get paid. It's just amazing. I'm just glad they came up with that twist with the direct sales program. All right, and then you're going to get all these bonuses. I'm not going to go into all of them. You can just go to the link in the description, beabosslady.info. Check out these bonuses, guys. How many is it here? 3, 6, 9. 9 bonuses? Yeah, it looks like 9 bonuses, guys. Good stuff. And of course, we have a Facebook group community that you're going to be a part of. You're going to be able to join from your back office. All right, just click that button and you will be in. You'll get approved. All right. And see, that's the other thing. Here, you're going to be able to get your daily success blueprint. You're going to get your daily marketing calendar. Know exactly what type of content to post or upload on social media every day. This is definitely perfect for a newbie. Faceless training, pre-written ads, all right, videos that you can download to social media, email swipes. I mean, everything you need is right here. And by the way, your marketing system is included. Okay, you don't have to go out and get a third-party marketing system. It's included. Okay, the sales funnel. So here's a little chart that you can compare, do some comparisons, take a look and see what best works for you. Get in where you fit in is what I like to tell people. If you can absolutely, the creator would be a place to go. If you had to come in, right, and you say, well, I don't really have the 5 or 1,000, but if you could do 250, that would be great. And I'll tell you why, because guys, that will give you 2 levels of income there, right? You'll have the $40 commissions coming in, and then you'll have the $100 commissions. And remember, you're going to get paid also from your referrals efforts, not just yours. So you're not working alone here. Okay, that's the other thing. You're not in business by yourself. You have a team. Everybody that you sign up is connected to you, and when they get paid, you get paid. Hello. Okay, so think about that. All right, so look over this comparison little chart here. Look to the left and see what's included in each package and decide where you want to get started. And remember, what you see far as the price here, that is it. The admin fee is already included. Okay, so no additional costs, no monthly fees. All right, there are digital programs out there that have monthly fees to them. Okay, we don't have that here. So get started. Go check it out. It's time. Activate 4 income streams and earn instant $40, $100, $200, and $400 referrals. It's a 100% check match on all personal referrals, direct sales at the same level as you or lower. All right. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Time to decide. You've come this far for a reason. You have two roads in front of you now. You can stay on the current path. That's probably the easiest choice. You could easily waste years of your precious time and continue joining opportunity after opportunity with little to no results. Or you can choose to join us in CMP, guys. Get paid instantly. All right. So go check this link out in the description, beabosslady.info, or just click that link. Take you to my capture page. Put your info in. Check out this video up here that's going to explain it. Look, check this out. That's what I'm saying. The systems, it's automated. It's going to do all the selling and telling, sifting and sorting, all the tire kickers out. If people don't want it, guess what? They'll click off. But this does the selling and telling for you so you don't have to. Okay? That's the thing. And once you go put your info inside here, in about 10 minutes, you're going to get an email, guys. So make sure you click off on the email to confirm your email address. Okay? So check your spam. It could be there. But go there. Watch this. Read over this page that you're looking at right here. You're actually going to get a thank you video that's going to show pop up. And it's going to explain the program even further. All right, so I highly recommend you check that out, because that's what I did. I looked at that, read over everything, and I made my decision, and here I am. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.